Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Sonia and today we're talking about hiccups. Now, hiccups can be quite energetic and loud. I don't know about you, but I have terrible hiccups, and whilst I'm at home I can annoy my family, it's not a problem, but if I'm at work it's very embarrassing. So imagine what this poor farmer who had hiccups for like 69 years and 9 months. He had it so long he actually made it into the Guinness Book of World Records. And how did he end up with hiccups? Apparently a 350-pound hog fell on him or sat on him on his farm. I shouldn't laugh, that's terrible. It just makes me smile, and I'm sure it's making you smile as well. And from then on he had hiccups. His doctor at the time told him that it was caused by a small pinprick bleed the size of a pinhead on his brain. Now, I'm not sure he ever saw a neurologist or actually had scans, but the poor farmer, you got to feel for him. So if you like learning information like this on health, lifestyle trends and travel, you need to subscribe to my channel. So subscribe below. So what are hiccups? Hiccups are involuntary spasmodic contractions of the diaphragm and of the intercostal muscles. And this is cut short by the glottis cutting it off. So your diaphragm comes up and your glottis closes over, and that's how you get a sound. So that's that sound, and that's why it sounds like that. And they typically occur at a rate of about 4 to 60 per minute, depends on the individual, and they usually just disappear within a short period of time. So we don't usually have to wait 69 years and 9 months for our hiccups to disappear. So having an acute episode of hiccups is an episode that comes on and disappears. There are two other terms that are related to hiccups, and one is called persistent. These are hiccups that last longer than 24 hours, and intractable are those hiccups that last longer than 48 hours with medication. So, and usually those hiccups or these hiccups that last in a longer time frame actually have an underlying cause that needs to be investigated. And yeah, so that's, if you have hiccups that last a long time, you need to go and seek medical advice. So what causes hiccups? Well, people say that they don't really know, but they think it's from things like eating a large meal really quickly, drinking carbonated drinks such as soft drink or alcohol, and anxiety or stress can actually trigger hiccups as well. So they also say that things like alcohol, spices, cigarette smoking, these are like irritants to your gastrointestinal tract and can initiate a bout of hiccups. Did you know that only mammals get hiccups? I didn't until I was researching and read this. And it is thought that the reason why mammals are the only animals that actually get hiccups is that it's like a safety mechanism. So that when a baby mammal is suckling from its mother, when it goes to, it's like a shortened burp. So when it gets some air pressure in its stomach, it actually goes to sort of burp. But instead of having, say if it was milk, instead of having regurgitated milk come back, the glottis closes over as a protective mechanism to protect the airway, and that's how you get the sound. So it sounds plausible to me. I actually like that theory, but it's not a proven one. It's just out there. So how do we treat hiccups? Because they can be so annoying. I'm sure you've got some ideas. You can put them in the comments below. I'd love to read what you do to get rid of hiccups. However, in my research, I found that there are a number of ways, and I'll tell you what they are. Swallowing dry granulated sugar is one of them. Hypnosis is another. Breath holding. Drinking water from the wrong side of a glass, and it's thought that is the positioning as well as drinking the water that actually can stop the hiccups this way. having some vinegar, don't like that one, and of course getting frightened, boo, is meant to scare away your hiccups, but I've never found that that's worked. So, but my favourite way to get rid of my hiccups is to actually drink small sips of water slowly and without a breath for 10 sips of water. And it seems to work. So maybe you can try that. And remember, if you've got any other suggestions, put them in the comments below, because I'm sure other people may find them helpful as well. So now you know all about hiccups. You need to subscribe to my channel so that we can discover new exciting things together. Okay, see you next time. Bye for now.